Changing your Shopify store name is a straightforward process. Here's how to do it. Access store settings. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to settings. Click on the settings option located at the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Select general settings. From the settings menu, select general to access general store settings. Change store name. In the store details section, you will find the store name field. Simply edit the existing name with your new desired store name. Save changes. After entering the new store name, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save button to apply the changes. Confirm the change. Shopify may prompt you to confirm the store name change. Review the new name and confirm to proceed. Update branding elements. Once the store name is changed, update any branding elements such as the logo, favicon, or promotional materials to reflect the new name. Notify customers. Consider informing your customers about the name change through email newsletters or social media announcements to avoid confusion. Test the store. Verify that the new store name appears correctly across your website and checkout process.